Hey y'all, it's your girl Shell. If you are new here, I would like to say welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for tuning back in. Today's video is just going to be a mini twist routine. And my hair needs some TLC. These mini twists has been in for 3 weeks. It's Tuesday and Thursday will be 4 weeks. And I'm really trying to get these twists out, moisturized, deep conditioned, and then to do it all over again. So the front looks horrible, as you guys can probably see. I redid this one. That's why it looks a lot better. This is what the front is looking like, and this is what it's looking like here. This is what I mean by the new growth. I can only hope you guys can see this. So, like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up, okay? I should go make that t-shirt. Okay, so this is going to be my handy dandy hair shirt. Oh, let's see. I'm looking straight and it's here. So I'm going to just keep this here. Yeah, let's get started, y'all. I'm ready.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone.
So my sister recommended this deep conditioner to me. I haven't felt my hair feel like this in so long, guys. It feels so thick. I'm like trying to grip it all and I'm like, I haven't felt this in so long. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love it. Oh my gosh. Wow. I feel like this side is popping more than this side. So my sister told me to try this one. Invasive hydration hair mask, honey and some kind of oil. Ooh. So I'm about to just twist my hair. Oh, water's falling down my back. I'm about to twist my hair. Oh, it feels so thick. Yo. I'm whispering because everyone's sleeping now. So I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Hydration, period. Yes, okay. All right, y'all, I'm about to get twisting.
Told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Our Father, all of heaven roars your name.
I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Cali way.
Okay, you guys, it is 9:27, so I am about to twist my hair, and I guess I'm gonna see how long that takes. But come along with me.
Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see and now I'm better. No longer what I used to be better. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new and he made me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do, all of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. Yeah. Style has made me perfect. I'm a picture of the stars and it's true. I'm scared of the changing. It's making me better.
Okay, you guys, look at the beauty. I don't like how my edges kind of failed, but I think it's because the product I was using got it all into my edges. So by the time I'm trying to put the gel, it's not giving. But look how pretty. Oh my gosh, I took my time with this one, okay? And I braided it first because I didn't like how easy it was to knot up and to just look older when it's not braided. The braiding it first make it look so nice, so neat, and it's giving, y'all. It's really giving. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. My hair is feeling better, like I told you guys, but my ends, when I take this out, I need a big trim. I think I've been trimming it because, you know, you don't want to cut your hair. You're like, no, I need like a cut, like cut the ends because my ends are so bad. But I just don't want to do that because I'm like, the length. But I have to cut it and have healthy hair and then just let it grow in healthy, okay? Just let the ends be healthy because them ends. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all in the next one.